maybe at your school in the past, or maybe someone that until today is how to say teaching you so many things in your life and make a change to your life. So you can share your story through our WhatsApp and also our YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Well, we'll continue the conversation, guys. So I believe right now, the condition right now, the struggle of the teachers right now nowadays is very different, totally different from the past. Yeah, how they struggle in the past and how they struggle to teach the students right now. But from your point of view, from your side, which harder, the old teachers in our era, in our era, or the teacher right now with very much access to the technology and so on. So who want to give the statement?
Okay, maybe me first. So to me, because today, like there are a lot of teachers face like the generation gap between the teachers and the students itself. So I think right now is the era where the teachers are really really difficult to teach in the class or uh, to adjust with their students because like they have generation gap for like they don't understand like what the millennials want or need or like itself because in the past like when the teachers want to like teach them like they can discipline them or something like that but in right now it's really really hard for a teacher to do it because like there's already a law that regulates it and also like students when they are forced to learn or when they are disciplined by their teachers they will not want to learn anymore like they will have the teacher itself so it's really hard for me the teachers to teach in this era because of the generation gap between the
Mhm.
teachers and the students itself.
Oh, so the generation gap
Yeah.
makes the struggle,
Yeah.
teacher struggle is more hard,
Yeah, and also
harder
like
than before.
because of like the technology that's really really advanced
Mhm.
that makes the teachers difficult to
Okay.
adjust with the era right now.
Another insight, maybe?
Okay, me. I will talk in a mother perspective. Yeah, as during a pandemic goes on up right now, I see in a group for Jasmine School.
Mhm.
It's totally stressful and depressing for for the parents and for the teacher itself.
Oh yes.
We always like because me only as a silent reader. Yeah, I don't I don't give it. I mean I'm not having a problem with the teacher itself because I really understand
Mhm.
how the teachers because most of my family also are teachers. But then I see that one of the hardest things, especially to the old teachers, that she or he let loading how to take the technology itself,
Ah.
how to explain the online class and something like that to Jasmine. And not only Jasmine, but there
All of the
there are
student.
all of the students around 30 or 40 students at school. Yeah, especially to the parents also has a problem that the parents not all of the parents also have a good education. They take so they can be being understanding each other, yeah, between the teacher and the parents, and that's why it's like a very dilemma things because especially because this is the pandemic situation. It's more harsh for the teacher itself. And one times, if I don't mistake, around 6 months ago, I have to take some books in Jasmine's school and also in Irish class because I have the two daughters at the same school, and their teacher is like chit-chatting to me, like I share anything that I think it's impossible for my children to do during pandemic. What is their assignment, the heavy assignment? But then I understand it well by their history that Bunda Jasmine like blah blah blah, blah and a lot of things. Then until I realized that not all of the parents like me who get a good education to understand and to put their position as as the teacher itself. So that's the problem. I mean, there are many differentiation between the lesson itself and the technology itself, and for sure, economic side is a big problem for the teacher.
Yes, yes. So we need to understand
Yeah.
and to how to say, yeah, maybe someday
Yeah.
we must put ourselves in their condition like a teacher
Uh-huh.
to really know what really they sacrifice when
Yeah.
they struggling too.
Yeah, and as an addition also that I seen many almost every week.
Because sometimes like this, the teacher is I don't know. Most of the time, the
Yeah.
teacher will be blamed.
Yeah,
will be
blame.
blamed by the parents because of the children, because of the student didn't understand the
Yeah.
the material.
There is
or-
not a good cooperative between teacher and the parents, and sometimes I catch in the group uneducated parents fighting and debating to the teacher. Like there is no
and
polite
blaming the teacher.
blaming, and I think it's not polite anymore. I mean, if you want to complain, just go to the school directly and complain the teacher. Yeah, because I have to see like an eye pollution in my sight. It's so
Okay,
horrible.
okay. Well. Now, yes, I believe you are the person who understand how the teachers' position, how the teachers, the teacher struggle right now. So, if you were a teacher, so would you like to be what kind of teacher? Maybe in your life, in the school, or I don't know. So, if you were a teacher, so you want what kind of teacher you want to be, Mr. Itsan, maybe?
Actually, I'm a teacher right now
Oh.
for my son and my daughter,
Yes.
and I'm
Exactly.
the first school for them.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I gotta show my best for them, and in my point of view, the way I teach them by touch their heart, so we can learn from heart by heart.
Oh,
Like that.
okay.
And
Teaching from heart to heart.
Yes.
Oh. It's
I-
difficult. It's more difficult. I
yeah,
think.
it's sometimes well, how to say, it's so difficult, so because as a parent, we gotta know, we gotta come inside to their world, to follow their imagine, for example, and then when he or she feels comfortable, then we can teach them many things.
Oh, okay.
So we have to make the situation that makes them comfortable first. Yeah,
So you want to be the personal teacher,
your
yeah,
personal teacher.
for your kiddos.
No.
Okay, so yes, teaching the person from heart to heart,
Yeah.
and knowing them as a person,
Yeah.
it's hard maybe.
Yeah.
It's hard, yes, it's hard, but I know it works. Yeah,
Because we have to know what's the problem. What's the problem, and it's not talking about the material, but yeah, everything.
yes. Okay, so how about you, Mr. Aswin? Hold on, the answer. We continue the conversation after the break.